We have from Student Legal Services, Jameson Offenier.
I don't know how I'm going to live up to that introduction, but yeah, my name is Jameson Offenier. I'm one of the attorneys at Student Legal Services here at Kent State. What is Student Legal Services? Student Legal Services is a full-service nonprofit law firm. We're staffed by 2 fully licensed attorneys, and we cover legal representation and advice on a variety of legal matters. Some of those matters might include misdemeanor criminal defense, everything from more serious cases like DUI, assault, domestic violence, but all the way down to less serious cases like a speeding ticket. So just to give you an idea of how it might work, if you happen to get a speeding ticket while you're in Kent, you would give our office a call and you would set up a consultation. You would come in and meet with either me or Chris Sestak, and we would go over the facts of your case with you, and then we would take care of everything else from there on out. We would go to court with you. We would discuss, negotiate with the prosecutor, try to maybe get that speeding violation knocked down to a no-point equipment violation or something like that. If we needed to, we would go to trial for you and even appeal. So you get a lot with this benefit, and the cost is extremely cheap. It's $10 for an entire semester. I also have a private law firm in Stark County, and I just do DUI defense down there. And let me tell you, just to get started with a private case, you're just getting started, you're paying $1,500 right off the bat. So if you compare that $1,500 to $10 a semester, I think you can see that there's a pretty good benefit there. You're never going to get an attorney again for $10, trust me. So we also handle a lot of other matters. Landlord-tenant is another big one. So if you're having issues with your landlord, things need repaired, you're not getting your security deposit back, that's a great time to give us a call. We can help you resolve those matters. Even if you wanted to have us review your lease agreement before you sign it, strongly recommend that. There's a lot of clauses in there that you may not be aware of that can actually really affect you. Just one in particular, check your lease to see if it has an automatic renewal clause that you need to provide a written notice within 30 days or 60 days prior to the end of the lease. If you don't provide that notice, you might be signing up for a whole another year and not even realize it. So that's just one little tidbit of information. And that's the type of stuff you could expect to get from us if you came in and had us review your lease agreement. Even if you already signed it, you can have us look at it. Some other areas would be consumer law, also like wills and advanced directives. If you never use our services the entire time, I don't know how many semesters you'll be here at, but let's just say 8, that would be $80. If you come in and get your will drafted before you graduate, most attorneys are going to charge around $500 for that, so that you would automatically pay for the service many times over by just doing that before you graduate. So we definitely encourage you to come take advantage of this benefit that you have. We're located in Acorn Alley downtown. It's kind of behind the BW3s, Burnside Barbecue. We're on the 2nd floor. Again, the best way to get things started is to just give us a call. You'll probably receive a brochure at some point with our number on it, but you can always just Google search Kent State Student Legal Services and we'll show up first. So that's pretty much all I have. I really appreciate the time and welcome to Kent State. I hope you guys have a great semester.